Hello, my name is Lamar Ellis, and I'm here to introduce my brand new seminar, Appraisal Aerial Inspections Using a Drone. I have over 30 years of experience in valuation of real estate. I've combined that with 5 years of aerial inspection experience. With all that, I've put together 25 topics on how to put together a profitable aerial inspection business. Topics include, before you get started, do you have the right equipment? Marketing yourself. Reviewing the request. Do you have the right skill set? Pricing the operation. Contracting the operation. Putting together a compliance folder. Can you fly? The 25 essential tools and other items you need for every inspection. Packing up for the job. The morning of the assignment. Arriving at the site. Emergency procedures and risk mitigation factors. Setting up a landing and takeoff zone. Pre-flight checklist, launch checklist, flying the property, and acquiring the shots that you need for the assignment. Post-flight check, packing up your equipment, storing your footage, and post-production. Finally, delivering the assignment and invoicing the client. With these 25 topics, I can guarantee you will put together a profitable aerial inspection. Please contact me, Lamar Ellis, with Drone Education Services to book your seminar today. Thank you.